a Calaveras County murder case that shocked the nation. Attorneys for the 14-year-old boy accused of stabbing his 8-year-old sister to death are now asking a judge to release him. KCRA 3's Melinda Meza joins us live now from the Calaveras County Courthouse with the latest on this case stemming from Layla Fowler's death. Melinda.
Well, the attorneys plan to go inside this courthouse within the next hour to demand his release. They say there is new evidence to prove that Layla's brother did not kill her. Now, it was almost 2 years ago that Layla Fowler was stabbed more than 20 times in her Valley Springs home. Her brother, who was 12 years old at the time, was arrested for her murder. He says there was an intruder who ran off. That 14-year-old boy has been in juvenile hall for nearly 2 years. The Fowler's attorneys say they will tell the court that this is an entirely circumstantial evidence case. They say there is new evidence from the Department of Justice that there was an intruder, and they say there was unidentified DNA found on a hair under Layla's pants.
All the circumstantial evidence that underlies the prosecution's theory do not fit. There's a weapon that doesn't fit the wounds. There's no blood on our client, on his clothing or on his person, and there sure should be if he committed this crime. If he cleaned himself up, he had to do a epically great cleanup job, something that I don't think any adult could get away with to defeat the FBI's examination.
Now, court is set to begin here in Calaveras County at 1:30. If the judge does allow the release of Layla's brother, he will stay with family members in Stockton, and he will stay there until his trial begins May 18th. Now, we will be inside that courthouse. We will bring you the very latest details on this case. Reporting live in Calaveras County, I'm Melinda Meza, KCRA 3 News.
Melinda, how are people reacting to this thus far? Because it was already shocking enough when they initially took her brother into custody, and now with this new information, what are people saying there?
Well, we just talked to some people moments ago who say they knew he was innocent from the beginning. But mind you, we had also talked to people, neighbors, who say they always had their suspicions because they did not see anybody leaving the house. So we have mixed reaction here in Calaveras County and in Valley Springs, and we will have to wait and see what that judge says and definitely get people's reaction then.
And you may not know the answer to this yet, but do you know, Melinda, why it's taken so long to get this DNA evidence?
Yes, the Department of Justice did the investigation, and the defense attorneys requested that that hair be cut in half and sent to both labs. The Department of Justice came back with their findings last month, and the defense attorneys did give it to us just the other day. And they filed that motion here just 2 days ago.
All right, Melinda Meza, thank you for the latest information in this case. I know so many people around our area and across the country have been following it.